Looking at large companies and the challenges they face today, they have to constantly find ways to reduce operational costs and improve insights. Considering the site manager at the plant, it can become nearly impossible to balance the costs, budgets, and service level desired. Compromises have to be made. Planners' schedulers constantly juggle Excel and SAP. As a result, people end up managing these Excels, spending hours behind the printer. Technicians in the field want to focus on one thing: performing actual maintenance. Not having information available on the spot and relying on paper is time-consuming and error-prone. When an issue arises, the technicians must walk all the way back to the office. This process is not efficient and weighs heavily on the budget. Paper is costly and error-prone. Time is wasted and, in the end, your production uptime suffers. Sigga believes there is an easier way. Sigga's suite of SAP-certified out-of-the-box solutions allow you to run a fully digitized process. With Sigga Mobile EAM, the technician has the power of SAP in the palm of his hand. With an intuitive user interface, he can see his work with all necessary information in an instant. If he encounters an issue, he can snap a picture and create a notification effortlessly. He can even eliminate all other forms, such as safety documents, signatures, evaluation sheets, whether they exist in SAP or not. Sigga puts the planner, schedulers back in control, with one interface to perform all needed tasks and a solution made by SAP and maintenance experts. This way, all day-to-day activities become much easier. The site manager now has a clear and complete overview of what is going on in the plant and is in full control of the budget, which makes the entire company happy.